Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation 0.8 minus 0.2 multiply 0.2. So here we can see, and there are two arithmetic operation present. One is subtraction and second is multiplication. So first we simplify the multiplication. So here we write the 0.8 is same minus 0.2 multiply 0.2 multiply 0.2. So here we write 2 to the 4, 2 0 the 0, multiply 0 to the 0 and 0 0 the 0, and we sum up 4 0 and 0. Here we write the decimal after 2 from right to left. 1 2, here we write the decimal 0.04. So here we write the 0.04 answer of 0.2 multiplies 0.2, and in the last we simplify the 0.8 minus 0.04. So here we assume this place is 0 present. So when we minus sign, then we here we transfer 1 from 8. So here we get the 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and here only 7 remaining. We write the 7. 7 minus 0 is 7, and here 0 minus 0 is 0, and decimal place we put on same place 0.76. So 0.76 is our answer, final answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please tell me in next video which topic I recorded video on which topic. So please suggest me in comment section.